What is gastronomy? Gastronomy is the study of food and culture, emphasizing the art and science of preparing and consuming food. It encompasses a wide range of topics including culinary techniques, the history and evolution of cuisine, the relationship between food and society, and the sensory experiences associated with eating. Gastronomy is not just about cooking. It also involves understanding the ingredients, their origins, and the cultural significance of various dishes. Number 2. History of French cuisine. Name one historical figure who influenced French cuisine and what was their contribution. One significant historical figure who influenced French cuisine is Auguste Escoffier. He is known for modernizing and refining French cuisine techniques in the late 19th and early 20th century. Escoffier introduced the brigade system in professional kitchen and published Le Guide culinaire, which standards recipe and cooking methods, greatly impacting culinary education and practice. Number 3. Briefly describe a typical French meal. Number 1. Appetizer, often a light dish such as salad, soup like onion soup or pate. And third, a second main course, a hearty dish commonly featured meat or fish served with vegetable or starch like ratatouille. And the fourth is cheese course, a selection of cheese served with bread, often enjoyed before dessert. And 5 is a sweet course, which could be pastry like crème brûlée, tart, or mousse. And lastly, coffee, typically served at the end of the meal, often enjoyed with a small piece of chocolate. While in the Philippines, is appetizer often includes lumpia or kinilaw. And second is main course, typically features a meat dish like adobo or lechon served with rice. And fourth is side dish, may include vegetable or a soup like sinigang. And lastly is dessert, commonly includes leche plan or halo-halo. And the last question is, would you like to try French cuisine someday? Why or why not? Yes, I want to taste French cuisine someday because I'm curious how the food is cooked and tastes. I would like to try French cuisine because it is known for rich flavor, diverse ingredients, and artistic presentation. And I would like to explore different culinary tradition. Can be a rewarding experience.